Hi you guys, it's Ruby from Oofy Scraps, and I am here to share a layout process for my December daily album. This is story number 19, I believe, and it is right on the back side of the previous story, which are my two little Hanukkah stories I'm sharing this December. So I actually worked on these right one after another, but I wanted to keep them separate because the first one got super long, and they are technically two separate stories. So it's a really quick one, but I will show you guys what I do. So again, we're working right on the back side of that previous one. I just bumped my little camera, so I'm sorry about that. And I am using redline tape to adhere down my photo, and this story is all about matzo ball soup. So if you're not familiar, matzo ball soup is a traditional Jewish dish. It's my favorite like Jewish food of all of the Jewish foods. There's not too many that I love, but I love matzo ball soup. If you've never tried it before, you should. It's so good. And it's honestly not that hard to make. I always thought growing up that it was hard, but now that I've tried it, it's pretty simple. So the back side of that previous paper is what I'm using as my background for this. And so it has just a bunch of various Hanukkah icons, and I decided to do Star of David or Jewish stars as like a fun scattering embellishment on this page. And right here I'm using the, what is it called? Citrus Twist puffy stickers. So I spell out yum because this is definitely a yum moment. And then I'm grabbing some blue glittery letter numbers. And I put down the wrong number here. So this is not story 17. I will fix that, but I honestly think I fix it off screen. I don't know if you guys see it during the recording, but I do figure that out before it goes into my album. And now I'm adding some more little Star of David stickers, and then this one that says oi, which is like a very funny, like my grandma used to always say oi or oy vey. So it's a good little Yiddish or Jewish kind of slang word, I guess. And then the top one says Happy Hanukkah, and then light up your night, or does it say nights? It looks like it says nights. But anyways, I'm just adding a bunch of various embellishments. I added that little label sticker on the bottom of the photo, which I will add some journaling to. Here I'm adding a little bit of washi tape, and this photo has some digital element on it, I guess. It says Matzo Ballin, which I think is kind of funny. And that is just from Instagram. It was like a GIF or a GIF that I used on my Instagram story, and I just saved this photo from my story. So it's super yummy. There's like matzo balls, which are like kind of like bread balls, and then potatoes and carrots and celery and onion, and it's just so good. And I'm a vegetarian, so I don't put any chicken in it, and I use vegetable stock. So it's just so good. Like, that sounds so good right now. I had like a really late lunch today, so I wasn't going to eat dinner, but now I'm starving. But it's kind of like too late at night to eat, so this is not a fun voiceover to be doing while I'm so hungry. But just like before, I'm going to use some more Star of David embellishments. These are also made by Redefine Creative, and I had her custom make them for me. And I have 3 different sizes, just like the blue acrylic ones, but these are wood veneer. So I'm going to add my little bit of journaling, just talking about how my favorite part of Hanukkah is matzo ball soup. And then I will add my 3 different sizes of wood veneer Stars of David, around my little page and my 3 little embellishment clusters. And that's pretty much it. This came together super quickly, like I said. The first side, I spent so much time stamping and stuff, so I wanted to keep the second side quick. I was a little burnt out by now. And I was like on a roll of working on a bunch of different layouts at once, so this was definitely like I was getting tired. But I'm excited to be getting so close to done with my album. I don't think I'm going to film my flip through this, like, in February. It's February as these videos are going up and as I'm recording them. So I think I might wait till next, like, November when, like, Allie does all of her sneak peeks and stuff, and I'll share my flip through then. That way I can, like, show everyone what I've done in the past, get everybody excited, get myself excited, and you guys have all just, if you're watching along, you've seen all these layouts really fresh because I'm uploading them right now, so it might be a little redundant to do the flip through. right after I finish. So that's just what I'm thinking. But if you guys have a big, opposing feeling about that, let me know. Something I also don't include in this video, but you can see I have those attacher stickers, those like black stickers. There's also some gray ones on the other side. I will attach them to the sides of this layout, unless I'm doing that right now. No, I'm adding the gold ribbon. But I will attach those after the fact. I just didn't do it in the video. It was a little bit of a struggle, but I got them on. I would have used one of those clear attacher stickers that Citrus Twist makes. It's like a attacher strip or adhesive strip, but I didn't have any left, so I need to order some more of those. But yeah, that is basically all I do for this layout. It came together super quick. I really like the way that they look together. I do wish I would have told these stories a little earlier. I just didn't have the photos printed, so I would have rather had them go closer to when Hanukkah actually was, which was pretty early this December, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to adhere that little star down, and then I will add a little sticker there. And I think that that is all for this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick, simple layout, and I will see you in the next one. We're getting really close, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.